Hello everyone, this is Domino Park. I am one of your hosts, Julio.
And my name is Victoria.
And here we are at the Domino Park in the Domino Sugar Factory when it was running back in the 1800s. And in this video, obviously, our content will be just basically the history of the park and the factory primarily. And
we can also go over the architecture and also kind of like go to the structural system of the building.
And that will be the consistent of this video. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned. So right behind me is the Domino Sugar Factory / refinery, and it was by the Have May and Elder Company. Later they got changed to Domino, but that is the original name of the sugar brand. So right behind me is the Domino Sugar Factory. Back in the 1800s and 1900s, it was one of the biggest sugar refineries in the world. At its peak, it had like 3 million pounds of sugar every day and refined it every day. So towards the late 19th century, that was its peak. But then now it is a shell of itself, literally. Just the outside remains. And in the construction, there's been other things. It basically got gutted alive. But yes, and time for the architectural design behind this.
In terms of architecture, in order to keep like the historical side of the factory, what they did was like doing an envelope system. So basically they did a void within the building and they kept the historical walls and they just created a new building inside of these walls.
So here I am at Domino Park, named after Domino Sugar. You would have seen more information about that in the earlier segment. But it was designed by the architecture firm James Cornerfield Operations. And yeah, so with the park, you get a waterfront view. As you can see on our left, we have the Williamsburg Bridge. And we can see all of Lower Manhattan. And then now you'll see the Empire State Building, the Edge, and other great buildings of New York City with this waterfront.
Right now we're gonna be diving into some of the architectural aspects of Domino Park. So in terms of inspiration, the architects were inspired by the waterfront of Williamsburg and also by the Domino Factory. In terms of programs, the park is divided in sections. Each section provides a different programmatic use. Lastly, when you walk across the park, you can find some of the remains of the old structure of the Domino Factory.
Thank you for tuning in, guys. It was an enjoyable video to shoot. Hopefully you guys found something out of it.
Like and subscribe.
Peace.